Hi and welcome to this video compilation of all the essential crocheting stitches for beginners. In this video, I am going to teach you how to crochet chain stitches. This is how the chain stitch looks like. Secure the tail of the yarn between your pinky and your ring finger with the yarn over your hook and pull through. Now you've made your first chain stitch. Let's repeat and try once more. Place the yarn over your hook, secure the tail of the yarn between your pinky and your ring finger, put the yarn over your hook from behind, and pull through. To get a good tension, I keep the yarn between my ring finger and my middle finger. And then I grip the yarn like this with my hand. Over and through, over and through. Over and through. Congratulations, my friend! You have now learned how to crochet a chain stitch. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crochet single crochets. The single crochet stitch looks different depending on the way you're crocheting them. If you crochet in a circle with single crochets, it looks like this. And if you crochet back and forth, your single crochets will look like this. Before we can learn how to crochet single crochets, we need a foundation of some sort. It can be a magic ring or in this case a couple of chain stitches. For this square I'm making 11 chain stitches. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job! Now we have our foundation. Now it's time to make some single crochets. Put the hook through the second chain stitch from the hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through the chain stitch. Place the yarn over your hook and pull the yarn through. Great work, my friend! Now you have made your first single crochet. Let's make a couple of more. Put the hook through the next stitch. Grab the yarn. Put the yarn over your hook and pull through. Put the hook through the stitch. Grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Don't forget to make a single crochet in the last stitch. When you crochet back and forth with single crochets, you need to make a chain stitch before you turn your work. This makes your edge pretty and straight. Skip the first chain stitch and put your hook through the first single crochet stitch on the row. Grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Keep in mind that you go through both the front loop and the back loop of the stitch. Grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Congratulations, you have now mastered the single crochet. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crochet a magic circle. This magic circle consists out of 6 single crochet stitches. The amount of stitches depends on the shape you're making. We'll start by crocheting 2 chain stitches. Secure the tail of the yarn between your pinky and your ring finger, put the yarn over your hook and pull through. Now you have made your first chain stitch. Put the yarn over your hook and pull through. Now you have made 2 chain stitches. Now it's time for some single crochets. We'll make 6 single crochets in the second chain stitch from the hook. Grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Now we have made our first single crochets. Let's make 5 more. When you have made your stitches, it's time for some magic. Pull the tail of the yarn like this, and voila, the hole is gone. Congratulations! Now you have made a magic circle, the foundation of amigurumi making. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to increase when crocheting with single crochets. This is how it looks like when increasing with single crochets. When increasing with single crochets, you simply crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is our first single crochet. Put the hook through the same stitch again and make 1 more single crochet. Now we have made our first single crochet increase. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to decrease with single crochets, also known as single crochets 2 together. This is how the single crochet 2 together looks like. Start by putting the hook through the first stitch. Grab the yarn, put the hook through the next stitch, grab the yarn. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops. Let's try again. Put the hook through the stitch, grab the yarn, put the hook through the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Congratulations! You have now learned how to decrease with single crochets, which is also known as single crochets 2 together. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crochet half double crochets. The half double crochet stitch looks different depending on the way you're crocheting them. This is how the stitch looks like when you're crocheting them in a circle. And this is how they look like when you're crocheting them back and forth. Okay, it's time for us to make some half double crochets. Put the yarn over your hook, go through the stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Great work, my friend! Now you have learned how to crochet half double crochets. In this video, I am going to teach you how to crochet double crochets. As many other stitches, the double crochets looks different depending on the way you're crocheting them. This is how it looks like if you crochet double crochets in a circle. And this is how it looks if you crochet double crochets back and forth. This is a granny square, and this is the most common way to use the double crochets. But enough chit-chatting, it's time to do some crocheting. This is how you crochet a double crochet. Put the yarn over your hook, put the hook through the stitch, grab the yarn, put the yarn over your hook, and pull the yarn through the 2 first loops on your hook. Put the yarn over your hook again, and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook that is left. Okay, let's make another one. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the 2 last loops. Great work, my friend! Now you have learned how to crochet double crochets. Hi, my friends! In this video, I am gonna teach you how to crochet slip stitches. I am gonna teach you how to crochet regular slip stitches as well as surface slip stitches. Let's start with the regular slip stitches. Go through the next stitch, grab the yarn, and pull the new loop through the first loop that you had on your hook. Let's do it again. Go through the next stitch, grab the yarn, and pull it through. And that is how the regular slip stitches are done. Let's also walk through how to make surface slip stitches. Surface slip stitches are crocheted on top of the fabric and in between the rounds or the rows of stitches. Go through the next hole, grab the yarn, and pull through. Simple as that. Let's do it again. Go through the next hole, grab the yarn, and pull it through the loop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like colorful amigurumi and content related to that, I highly recommend you to check out my YouTube channel and come and subscribe. We do a lot of crocheted amigurumis here, as well as tutorials and studio vlogs. I hope I'll see you around. Bye!